Today we're going to have a look at how a fee is structured and how it is collected. Just click on the student fees and then click on fee structures. We are now going to set the billing rules. Which kind of fee are you collecting? What are the details of the fee that you are going to collect? So click on the add rule. Here you enter the fee name, maybe first term fees. Now it comes to the amount. So let's say maybe this is for tuition, all right? The tuition is costing, let's say 1,000 cedis. And then you come to the target scope. Who are the people that this bill is going to be affected? Is it affecting the whole students or some of them, right? So here you come here, academic level. You see it's being automatically selected to all levels. Click on it. If this particular fee is for a particular class or particular level, just select the level. Let's assume this is for only SHS1 students, and then you come to select the program. Maybe you are billing a certain students in the SHS1 offering a certain program. Okay, so let's say you come to all programs and then you come and select the program. You can also select a fee for either borders only or for day students only. If that particular amount or the particular fee that you are charging applies to all students, then please select the all students right here, all students, and then all programs, all levels. After you are done, and then you click on save to vote. Alright, so this first term school fees, particularly in the tuition category, is being set, and it is set for all students doing all programs. Right, so let's set another fee. The first term school fees might have different categories. All right, so let's keep adding rules in the same first term school fees. So let me just paste the first term school fees name here, and then maybe PTA dues. Let's say PTA dues as a category, and then PTA dues is costing, let's say, 300 cedis for the term, and this is also going for all students at all levels doing all programs. All right, so you can go ahead to click on save rule to vote. Good, we are still setting our first term school fees, so click on the add rule, and then let's repeat the name, and then here category, let's say maybe science practicals. Okay, all right, and that is costing maybe 400 cedis because the category doesn't involve all students. So you have to come to the all program and then select the program in which they are going to pay for this particular category of fees. Okay, so probably let me say general science. Okay, general science, because it's going to the science students only because it's science practicals. For the boarding status, it's for all students. The levels, maybe let's say SHS1 students only. Let's say SHS1 students only. Maybe SHS2 students might have a different fee compared to this particular fee here. So you can come back and then set for them as well. All right. So after you are done, as usual, click on save rule to vote. All right. Let's keep creating. So let me paste the fees here, and then let's say excursion, right? Excursion, maybe excursion. Want to include excursion? So the excursion, let's say, is costing 500 Ghana cedis to maybe all students, right? So you click on save to vote. Right, let's add one more thing. Let's keep adding. So let's say the same first term school fees, and then let me say computer, maybe ICT lab. Okay, a fee for ICT lab, let's say it's 250 Ghana cedis. All right, and it's applying to all levels. Right, you come here and then you save it. So these are the rules that are set for our first term school fees or first term fees. All right, so this is how you're going to go by to set your rule. All right, okay, you can set any type of rule, any type of fees at all that you want to charge the students. Okay, this is where the magic happens. After you are done setting the rules, come to financial ledger and then click on auto generate bills. The AI will generate the bill for all the students depending on how you set it in the structure. All right, so let's click on auto generate. So here you add the academic title, academic term title, and then you click on initialize auto billing. Look at how beautiful this is. So the system has automatically generated fees for the students. You could see that the fees are not the same. Some differs. Okay, this is the reason. You see, look, have a look. George is paying 2,450 as well as some of the students. Aisha is paying 2,050 Ghana cedis instead of 2,450 Ghana cedis. Do you know what? Aisha is a business student. Can you see from here? So the science lab fee doesn't affect Aisha. Look at Etna. Etna is having the same as Aisha, and she is doing arts. She's an art student. Sam is a business student. Look at the fee. Maya is doing science, but she is in Form 3, so it doesn't affect her. What we did was for SHS1 students. So SHS3 students doing science and then SHS2 students offering science are not affected by what SHS1 students are paying for their practicals. This is so beautiful, isn't it? Alright, so let's view the receipts right here. Click on it. Beautifully, the system does it so amazingly. The kind of design that you are going to have here depends on the kind of design that you selected in the settings. If you remember, right, you can go back to that video to watch how the branding was done. You can print this and give to the parents, or don't worry, you don't have to always be printing receipt to parents. Parents have their dashboard that they are going to view all these invoices, all these fees, and they can pay directly from their dashboard. I'll show you how it is done very soon. In a case where the accountant, headmaster, or any person assigned to is receiving the fees from the parents, though there is a systematic way of paying, but some may choose to go through the usual mobile money sending process. Maybe the person is not having a smartphone or something like that. Okay, all this can be done. All right, so click on the collect, and then enter the amount that the parent is paying. Either the parent is making a full payment and then the full payment is already selected. If not, maybe let's assume the person is paying 2,000 Ghana cedis and it is by cash. So you select the payment method, either by cash, mobile money, bank transfer, or maybe check. Okay, you select it here, and then you can add the reference code. That is optional. All right, it depends on you. You can choose to add or not. After you are done, and then you click on confirm and save receipts. So have you seen this person's fee? That is George. George's fee has been paid by 2,000 Ghana cedis, and then their remaining balance is 450 Ghana cedis. So you can see the status is being changed from pending to partial, meaning there has been a partial payment. Let's say going back to the print, you could see that there has been a change on the invoice. So the amount paid is 2,000 and then the balance due is 450. Total billed is 2,450. Have you seen how beautiful is it? Everything is being automated. You don't have to be worrying yourself any longer. You'll get to the parent dashboard where you will see how parents can pay via mobile money, bank, or even a card. And then it will automatically be reflected on the school's portal. It is so beautiful, right? Okay, few things here. So you see total billed. These are the total billed. All the students that we have, these are the bill that we've given them. Okay, 19,250, and this is the amount that we've collected. Only 2,000 Ghana cedis. So any amount that the school collects will be added over here. So the outstanding balance is 17,250. So you can see everything. You don't have to be worrying yourself calculating a lot of things. Everything is being automatically calculated beautifully for the school. Okay, who don't like this? You like it, right? Yeah, I do too. In a case where you want to see a transaction history, maybe a parent has been arguing about a fee being paid that has not been reflected on their dashboard or on the account of their student. Don't worry yourself, go to the transaction history and all the transaction that has been done will be here. So this has been referenced as manual. Yes, this was a manually collected fee. All right. If it was digitally collected, it would be stated. The method was cash and this was paid by the students. All right, in case you have numerous thousands of students, you don't have to worry yourself. Come to the search filter and then search for the student name and all their transaction will be popped up for you to have every single information that you need, including the date which the transaction was issued. Thank you. Let's meet inside the next tutorial.